Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the MCAT effectively updated. Start by assessing your baseline score and build a study calendar with targeted content blocks, active practice, and weekly full-length exams. Prioritize weak subjects, mix content review with passage practice, and use spaced repetition for high-yield topics. Track progress, adjust timing, and keep focused energy with consistent sleep and exercise to prevent burnout. Stay flexible and iterate. Start with a clear study plan that fits your life. Break material into weekly themes and assign specific goals for each session. Alternate content study and passage work so concepts stick and you practice application. Include regular timed full-length exams to build stamina and reveal gaps. Review incorrect answers thoroughly and reorganize your calendar based on progress. Keep study sessions high quality rather than just long. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Quick ad, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for busy study days and balanced lunches. They save time so you can focus on practice passages and review. I appreciate your support. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Now let's get back to the video. Active practice beats passive review when preparing for the MCAT. Work through passages slowly at first, then increase speed while maintaining accuracy. Explain answers aloud or teach a peer to solidify reasoning. Track recurring mistakes and create concise notes for spaced repetition. Practice with experimental section, endurance in mind and train with full-length exams under test-like timing. Balance review days with lighter sessions to consolidate memory without burning out. Stay consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.